The history of numbers began many centuries ago. The first numbers man used were the natural numbers, or the counting numbers. The natural numbers start with 1 and go on as far as man can count, and further.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 banana.
Then someone discovered the negative numbers, and 0.
Take away 5, leave you 0 banana.
The natural numbers, their negatives, and the number 0 combined together came to be known as the integers. As man progressed, he came to understand numbers better. He learned that numbers don't have to represent a number of objects, but they can also represent a part of an object.
Hey, that's my pie.
No, it's mine. Hey.
1/2 of a pie.
These fractional numbers came to be known as rational numbers. Man also learned how to manipulate numbers by the use of operations. He learned to add and subtract.
I'll take these 2 bananas and those 3 bananas there. That's 5 bananas.
And he learned to multiply and divide.
5 bananas at 9 grickles each is 45 grickles.
Soon these operations were used to combine several numbers together to arrive at new numbers.
Well, let's see. 15% of the gross annuity divided by the capital interest, plus the net balance times the deduction of prime rates divided by...
Sometimes these combinations became very complex, involving several numbers and operations. As the use of numbers became more complex, certain rules were adopted to avoid confusion. Essentially, these rules serve as guides to determining which operations to do first in a complicated problem. One rule states that we work from left to right. Another rule states that we multiply and divide before we add and subtract. And a third rule states that where there are parentheses, braces, or brackets, we work from the inside out. Also, certain abbreviations were created to compress long repetitions. For instance, instead of writing out all 4 of the 5s, we could write 5 to the 4th power. Abbreviations of this type are known as exponents. All of these different numbers, operations, rules, and abbreviations were created to help man solve his everyday problems. Because the use of these numbers and principles is so common in our lives, it will be easy to find many practical applications of this material.
Zero banana.
Huh. 5 banana.
Take away 5 banana, leave you 0 banana.